Hello, my name's Mr. Piano. Welcome to Oclef Kinder. This is the puppet show. Let's find our hand position first. Let's place our right hand thumb on E above middle C. This is middle C. You'll play that with your left hand thumb. Keep your left hand thumb on middle C. Your right hand thumb will be on E. In the first measure, we start on our right hand. First finger on E, step up 1 to finger 2, step back down to 1, and back up to right hand 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And in the second measure, our left hand plays 1. Left hand 1 is on middle C, steps down to B, steps back up, and steps back down. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2. We play 1, 2, 1, 2. In the second measure, we play 1, 2, left hand 1, 2 on C and B. So again, that's E, F, E, F, C, B, C, B. Let's play that first line again together. Hands in position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In the second line, we want to make sure that your third finger is on G flat. That's this note right here. So this is our hand position. And we have 2 steps up to G flat, steps back down, steps back up. So 2 steps up to G flat, steps back down, and steps back up. When you see a flat in one measure, that same note will be flat over here, even if it's not marked. In the second measure here, we have 2 on B, stepping down 1/2 step to A sharp. 2, 3, 2, 3. The same rule applies for sharps. If you have a sharp in one measure, A sharp, for example, even if it's not marked over here, it will still be A sharp in this measure. In the next measure, we play both ones, stepping out, out, and out. So the right hand steps from 1, steps up to 2, 3 on G flat, and back to 2. 1 steps up to 2 on F, steps up to 3 on G flat, steps back down to 2 on F. The left hand starts on C, steps down to B, 2, steps down to A sharp, 3, and back up to B. Sounds like this. And again, this was the right hand. This is what they sound like together. Let's play from the beginning of that line. Very good. Make sure that this is a skip to C in the left hand. In the last line, we play something similar to what we played in the last measure. Both ones, step out to 2, out to 3, A sharp in the left hand and G flat in the right hand, back to 2, 1, these are staccato, 2, 3, 2, 1. So when you see the little dot above or below the notes here, you'll play those short, like this. 2, 3, 4. Hold the last 2 notes for 4 beats. Let's start from the beginning of that line. 1, 2, 3, off. Very good. Let's play the whole thing together. Okay, starting at the beginning, let's find our hand position. Right hand thumb is on E above middle C. Left hand thumb is on middle C. We'll start at the beginning. Ready, go. Very good. Let's play this medium soft. So we'll start softly, and by the end, we will play forte, loud, strong. So let's start again softly. Growing in volume. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after learning the music well, try playing it with your eyes closed. Nice job! A note to parents when practicing at home. Maintain a steady hand position. Keep your eyes on the music. Start slowly and then build up speed. And practice in sections like we did, one line at a time. Happy practicing! See you next time.